Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are in store for a crazy video. Good look at my hair, it looks crazy. I'm having hair issues today. Oh God, I know. Now you're like, can you just be normal? I can't be normal, that's my problem, I can't be normal. I guess we're not putting our hair up on top of our head today. Well, at least not for this video. We're just gonna put some ears on. So, the beautiful Gina Stanley sent me this palette and asked me to do a look with it and upload it today. So, here we are. I'm super excited to dig into this and make a look. Yeah. I keep looking, every time I look at it, I'm like, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? One thing I am going to do is I'm going to put down some primer on my eyes because sometimes it'll help eyeshadows like this stick. I won't set what I put down on my eyes. I'm just going to go right into it. So, my face is already done. Because you know, I got to film 500 videos at once. Just kidding. Just kidding. Back to my dog mom cup. Special thank you to my mommy for that. Alright, so we've got some primer on our eyes. Probably a little bit more than I want, but that's okay. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. So I think I'm going to go in with the orange here and put that in my transition color. Yes. Ooh, that's pigmented orange. Yes, yes, yes. Shucks. I was filming the other day and I said the F word. I was like, oh my God. It's one of those moments, you know, when like you drop something and you're like, fudge. But it did not come out fudge. That orange is very pigmented. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, I'm going to go into the green that's right below the orange. Let's see what I can do with this. I'm going in with the same brush because they're oh wow. I can't believe how much pigmentation is in these shadows. You know, it's pretty awesome. Because of the way the shadows are working, I feel like I could almost use the same brush for most of them, but I don't want it to get muddy. Yeah. I'm gonna have to go back in with that green. That pink's taking over the green. Oh, shit. We're going back into the orange. We are going to get into that crease. We don't want anything to take away from that orange. I feel like I should have built this backwards. It would have worked out better. See how that purple looks underneath my eyes. We're going to try something. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to try it. Sorry if I'm leaning down. I can feel myself leaning down. Very little fallout with it, at least for me. There's a lot of fall, kick up in the pan, but not a lot of fallout. Alright, purple, don't you take over either. It's really interesting because these colors are so vibrant that they want to take over each other. So, we just have to try and prevent that from happening. Because I want the green to be the bam in this. Alright guys, welcome back. Sorry about that. My camera is just being super, super crappy today. So, this is the finished look with this little palette that Gina Stanley sent me. So I basically used every color in the palette. Some a little bit more than others. Let me see if I zoom in. Alright Gina, I put on this pink bright lip I would never wear for anything else. At least I had a use for it. I don't know why I'm obsessed with lipstick, so I have to buy all of it. Even if it's a color I won't wear. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Gina, I hope I met the standard and did exactly what you wanted me to. If you guys are watching me via Gina's channel, please hop on over to mine and check me out and see what you think. Please subscribe and all of those other things, and I would love to see you.